Bago tayo magsimula, ipopromote ko lang ang Mystic Queen Power Bracelet. So para sa mga naghahanap ng Evil Eye Bracelets, available na po ang dalawang klase ng Evil Eye Bracelet sa ating shop. So meron tayong Selenite Evil Eye at Obsidian Evil Eye Bracelet. So parehas lang merong protection and cleansing properties. Ang kaibahan nga lang is ang selenite is nagre-recharge rin siya ng mga crystals and semi-precious stones na kasama niya. So pwedeng isuot nyo to alongside with other bracelets and i-recharge din niya yon. Ayan. And marami rin tayong iba pang mga bracelets dito for protection and also for healing, attraction ng money, love, and prosperity. Ayan. So, lahat po yan nasa aking online shop. Pakicheck nyo na lang po. Lahat ng link ay nasa description. Happy shopping! Pisces, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for September 11 to 17, 2023. This is a general reading, so maaari kayong makarelate, maaring hindi. Just take what resonates. Panoorin nyo rin yung inyong Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus para sa iba pang mensahe. Meron tayong video na nagpapaliwanag tungkol doon. Link on the description. And thank you so much sa lahat ng sumusuporta dito sa ating channel. And just a reminder, Pisces, that you have the power to create your own reality. So gamitin nyo lamang ang reading na to bilang gabay. Okay, so let's see your overall energy for this week. Overall energy ng mga Pisces. You have the 10 of coins. Money, money, money. This is about abundance, financial stability, working with your family, no? Iba sa inyo maaring meron kayong sarili nyong business, family business. Ang ganda. So let's see your challenge. Ano yung challenge? The Moon. This is your instinct. Maaring you feel like hindi ka ganun ka sigurado sa mga plans mo moving forward. Maaring plano mo to sa trabaho, sa career mo. So mamaya clarify natin. What is your opportunity? Ano yung opportunity ng mga Pisces? Wow, you have the Star. You have the opportunity to heal yourself or to undergo healing. Yung may mga ano dyan, karamdaman, no? Or alam nyo, lalo na nagkaroon ng full moon in Pisces. Ang bigat, oo. Ewan ko kung kayo medyo naapektuhan. But, lalo na yung mga Pisces rising. But for you, you have an opportunity this week na makapag-heal, makapag-recover, recuperate, relax. Oo. And, syempre, this is also an opportunity to focus on your dreams, yung mga pangarap mo. And what is the blessing ng mga Pisces? 9 of Swords. The blessing is, meron kayong mga pagkakabisihan na lagi nyong iisipin, pero meron tong magandang outcome. So, pwedeng business to, marami kayong ginagawang trabaho, or you are thinking about new ideas, planning, mga bagong steps na gagawin mo for your career or for your business. O, diba? You have the Emperor card. So, this is someone who is in control of the situation. Someone who is disciplined, no? I think yung iba sa inyo mas disiplinado kayo sa pag-handle ng finances nyo ngayon, ng pera nyo, ng business ninyo. You really want to achieve your goals for this week. Ano yung Moon? Queen of Swords. I think yung iba sa inyo, nahihirapan kayong tanggalin yung mga tao sa buhay nyo na alam nyong hindi na serving your highest good. Parang iniisip nyo, paano na lang yung connection nyo sa kanila? Yung may ano pa rin may kurot pa rin sa puso, ganon. So you are worrying kung makakatulong ba yun sa inyo if you are cutting off connections from people na alam nyong hindi nagde-deliver ng inyong expectation sa kanila, or hindi nagiging totoo sa inyo. So I think, kailangan yung i-reassess itong connection na to kung maayos pa. Kasi kung hindi, then, you might need to decide whether i-disconnect mo na or ka-cut off mo na tong tao na to sa buhay mo. So, pagdating naman sa opportunity, what is the star? The Tower. I'm sensing a sudden change. Parang bigla ang pagbabago sa direction, sa path na tatahakin mo. Maybe you realize na yun yung path na gusto mo. Pwedeng pagbabago ng trabaho, pagbabago ng career or business. There's like a major shift. Kaya siguro yung iba sa inyo, marami kayong iniisip, marami kayong mga pinag-aaralan. Okay? O, diba? The Hermit. So, as a blessing, kung ano man yung decision ninyo, that's going to be the best possible decision na makakatulong sa mga gagawin nyo moving forward. And also, kung bibigyan nyo ng panahon yung sarili nyo na kayo lang, yung tipong hindi kayo makikinig sa sinasabi ng iba. Kasi pwedeng maraming ideas na gagaling sa ibang tao, suggestions, opinions, advice. So, makakatulong na ikaw mismo yung mag-isip ng mga solusyon or ng mga steps na gagawin mo para sa mga plano mo. I think may mga pagkakataon na pag nasa-stress ka, wala ka na lang ginagawa. Parang dinidedma mo na lang. Oo. So, ngayong week na to, makakatulong sa'yo yung pag-yoga or pag-meditate para mabalance mo yung energies mo. You are focusing on your healing. Working things out. Iba physical healing, kung medyo nakaramdam kayo ng fatigue, no? Yung parang pagod or pananakit ng katawan nung mga nakaraan, especially nung full moon. Ngayong week na to, it's time for you to work things out. Maaring meron kang gagawin para mapagaling mo yung sarili mo. Some of you merong travel opportunities dito. So, pero travel opportunities na mag-isa ka lang. Oo. I think some of you, Pisces, will spend more time with yourself. Oo. Makakatulong yan. Yung solitude. Time for yourself. You also have Venus and Leo in the 5th house, which is about affair. So, kung yung iba sa inyo, you are connecting with someone right now, romantically, pwedeng magkaroon kayo ng time together, pwedeng magta-travel kayo together, or doing exciting things together. But if you are single, I think this is about your time with yourself, with your creativity. Kung may anak ka naman, time for your kids. You also have Sun in Cancer in the 4th house. So, focusing on improving your family's life, yung household ninyo. So, pwedeng meron kayong aayusin sa bahay or i-organize, especially yung mga needs ninyo, mga pangangailangan ninyo, yung mga groceries ninyo, ganun. You also have Mercury in Virgo in the 6th house. So, be very careful with what you say, especially kung hindi siya, yung may pagkataklesa, tipong baka makasakit ka ng damdamin ng iba at pwedeng magresulta sa away. Oo. So, be careful with what you say. And of course, another thing, pay attention to your health, Pisces. Kung may nararamdaman, magpa-check up na. Okay? You have pause. O, iwasan daw muna na gumastos ng hindi kailangan. Okay? At iwasan ding umutang para instead na madagdagan, yung utang mabawasan na siya. And also, focusing on treating yourself. So, ito yung pag-aaruga mo sa family mo, mahal mo sa buhay. Pwedeng meron kang bibilhin for them, for their own, para sa mga needs nila. So, sa inyo namang love life, codependency, and deception. Okay, some of you Pisces are in a relationship with a toxic situation. So, you need to address this issue kasi meron ditong hindi totoo sa'yo. Okay? So, that's why mag-ingat. So, that is your reading, Pisces. Kung nagustuhan nyo to, naka-resonate kayo, mag-comment kayo dyan, like, share, subscribe, para lagi kayong updated sa ating mga readings. Thank you so much, Pisces. See you again.